everyone, my name is Karina. Welcome back. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious buttery sopa con rajas. It's a buttery soup and the rajas give it an extra kick, and I also add queso fresco on top. If you've never made it and you want to learn how to make it, stay tuned and I'll show you guys how. We're going to start off by adding water to our pot. Once the water is boiling, we're going to add a dash of salt. And then we're gonna be adding 7 ounces of Sopa de Coditos. I'm gonna cook it for about 10 minutes. While we're waiting for the soup to cook, I'm gonna be roasting 3 Anaheim chiles. Make sure to stir your soup occasionally so it doesn't stick to the pot. Okay, they're done. Now I'm gonna put them in a bag so they're easier to peel. As you can see, the sopa is now cooked. It's time to strain it. Now we're gonna clean our Anaheim chiles. I like to use a spoon because it's easier and that way I don't burn my hands. I'm gonna remove the seeds and slice them. I set my pan on medium heat and I'm gonna melt 8 ounces of butter. Once the butter is melted, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. We're gonna give it a quick mix and we're gonna add our Anaheim chiles. After about 2 minutes, we add in our sopa. We're gonna mix it until all the sopa is covered in butter. I'm gonna lower the heat, cover it up, and let it simmer for about 2 minutes. It's been 2 minutes. It smells delicious. Now I'm gonna add queso fresco on top. Cover it up again for another minute, and our sopa will now be ready. It's been a minute and our sopa is now ready. Look at how delicious it looks. Buttery, cheesy, just perfect. Super fast and easy to make. If you've never had it, you definitely need to try it. Okay guys, my favorite part. This is such a good soup. The rajas give it an extra kick. So flavorful and buttery. Cheers. Still a little hot. Pero está súper rica. Definitely must try it. All right guys, if you've made it this far and you haven't yet subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you next time.